This is your home sleep apnea testing kit. The kit includes tape, the Nomad recorder and chest belt, an abdominal belt, an oxygen finger sensor, and dual airflow sensors. Now to apply the sensors, starting with the abdominal belt. Open the clasp by pinching and pivoting the latch forward as shown. Begin by pulling the long elastic strap around the back of your body with the sensor in front facing away from you, making sure the belt does not become twisted. With the clasp in the open position, feed the end of the belt through the back of the clasp. Pull the belt tight and snug around your body and snap the latch closed. Ensure the belt is snug and securely fastened around your body. The sensor should rest near your navel. Tuck the excess belt material under the belt as shown. Now to place the chest belt with Nomad recorder. Begin by pinching and pulling the latch forward to the open position. Take the long elastic band, bringing it around your back just as with the previous belt. Avoid twists in the elastic belt. Bring the Nomad recorder to the front and center of your chest. Thread the end of the belt through the latch. Pull the end of the belt until it is tight and snug around your body. Secure in place by snapping the latch closed. At this point, you may wish to readjust or retighten the belts to feel secure and comfortable. Tuck in any excess material so that it is out of the way. You will now need to plug in the belts to the Nomad recorder. There are color-coded ports on the side of the Nomad. Take the yellow wire from the abdominal belt and connect it to the yellow port in the Nomad. Place the blue wire from the chest belt into the blue port of the Nomad. Your home sleep apnea kit includes a dual airflow sensor. There are two different sides of the sensor, with two clear prongs that will be placed in your nose. Begin with the flat side of the dual sensor facing you and place the clear prongs in your nostrils. Loop the blue and white wires around your ear, ensuring that both wires are in place. Cinch the wires up under your chin, making sure they are not too tight. The airflow sensor has two connections to the Nomad recorder. Begin by taking the green connector and plugging it into the green port on the side of the Nomad. The other airflow connector will be screwed into the top of the Nomad as shown. Now secure the airflow sensors in place. Take a small strip of paper tape and adhere the wires to your cheek on both sides. This will keep the sensor from becoming dislodged during sleep. Finally, we will apply the oxygen reading finger sensor. Begin by identifying the connection end of the sensor. Look for the white writing. To connect the sensor to the top of the Nomad, face the writing away from you and press firmly into place as shown. Now apply the finger sensor to your finger as shown. The tip of your finger should slightly protrude from the sensor, with the sensor wire coming over the back of your hand. While making a fist, use a piece of tape to secure the wire in place. The application process is now complete. Take a moment to make adjustments as needed, ensuring all connections are secure. You may notice a green flashing light indicating that the device is recording. Thank you.